This is our 1990 Toyota Townace truck. This one is four-wheel drive with the 2C four-cylinder diesel, all naturally aspirated. There's the auction paperwork. It's a little bit faded, but you can see it was a 4B graded auction, which is really high for both the exterior and interior, and 10,862 kilometers at the time of importing. Currently it has just passed 11,000 kilometers, which is really low for one of these diesels. It's got a 5-speed column shifter. Should start right up. Working AM radio. Working AC, actually just got that recharged. Really clean on the interior. You have 3 seats in here. The second one folds down into a couple of cup holders and some storage. There's your transfer case lever there. Four-wheel drive on-off button. It has manual locking hubs. Pulling around some rims with it right now. But all of the sides of the bed do fold down, so it turns into a flat bed. They're pretty easy to pull off completely. Runs really smoothly. And as you can see, it has a 1,000 kilogram payload rating, which is really high. You can haul quite a bit with this thing. Underbody here is really clean. That's expected with such low mileage. This Townace platform is actually used in a lot of different models. You see Toyota Townace campers and vans. It's pretty versatile. You can probably take that bed off and do quite a bit with this. Down here you've got some extra storage underneath the bed. Throw some chains in there, something like that. We also got a light there for the bed. Overall, this thing is in amazing shape. It's got a lot of life left in it.